I am Bharanayala Somyajula. I am with HP Inc., Director for the Transformation Center of Excellence for the Sourcing Organization. At HP, we believe in delivering innovative and AI-powered solutions, devices, software, and services to our customer base. During COVID and post-COVID, there were significant shifts in the market conditions. There were supply chain shortages, as you probably heard about. Whereas on our side, we were seeing a surge in demand for our personal computing products. So there's a lot of resiliency that we have to build into our supply chain to be able to address these ups and downs in the demand. We need a better contracting solutions so we know what's in those supply agreements. And that's what's kicked off the journey to move to a contract lifecycle management solution, which is where we selected Icertis. That's where Icertis brings us the value. It's not just a repository for us. It's also the system where we go in to find all the data that we need. As an example, the most common questions you get from finance is, tell me which suppliers are not on our standard payment terms. If we were using our existing systems, we'd have to download the contract, look at the contract, go to the payment terms section and see what does it say. That means someone's logging into your existing contract repository, downloading those documents, and looking at every single payment clause's attributes. The way we implemented Icertis, that is a data field that you can query off of, and you can get that exact same information in less than a minute. We set up about 25 contract types, and those 25 contract types cover 65 different contracting templates, because each country can have a different contracting template. And we've also migrated about 16,000 contracts from our legacy system into our existing system. I try to describe it as threefold. So one is being able to capture the data so you can report on it really quick. The second advantage is the ability to know what's in your contract without having to jump through a whole lot of hoops. And the third area is the workflows associated with the contracts and the ability to use the data to configure the workflows. That speeds up the contract negotiation time. And that's a huge advantage because you want to spend more time on establishing a relationship with the supplier rather than negotiating the terms on the contract.